Hey, so in this one, we're going to be going over length for strings. Okay, length is fairly straightforward. Length acts on a string, so you have some string dot length parenthesis colon. Okay, so this is any string. This can be a literal or some string variable, and then we're calling the function length. This function takes no parameters, and it returns the length of the string. Okay, so the length is just how many characters are used to make it up. So if we have the string hello exclamation point, or say dot length, the length of this, I gotta print that out. No, system out. No. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This counts every single character. Okay, this includes spaces. I'm gonna add one space right here. 8. Do you see how that works? Okay. So it works on literals. It also works if you have a variable, string a equals, let's save some numbers in this one, and say, what is a's length? And it says it's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So there are 8 things. Does that make sense? You can do other cool things, like say you have some string. Welcome to the club. Welcome Squidward, welcome Squidward, welcome Squidward, welcome Squidward. We're going to save this to an int. Welcome size equals a dot length. And then you can manipulate this and do some other fun stuff with it, right? We print out welcome size. You get 23, which is how big this is. So let's see how it counts a /n. I'm going to add one /n to this. Counts it as 24. I'm going to add a /t to this. Counts it as 25. Now that's interesting because isn't this like 2 characters? Well, they actually get fused together. This slash is interpreted as an escape starter. Okay, it starts the escape sequence. And it says everything after this is going to be part of my escape sequence. So it says escape this n. Don't make it a normal n. Make it a new line n. So altogether, these two count as one single character. That also means you can save them into chars. Char x equals /n. That works too. Just a little tidbit. So that's what length does. Length gets the length of a string, of some string. And it does not work on characters because characters are not strings. If you put a character into a string, it'll work. But you need to make it a string first. Does that make sense? Actually, let's do a little test. I actually don't know this one off the top of my head. What if we make a char and then say dot length? I have a feeling this won't work, right? Because this is a char, and chars don't have functions. Yeah, see, there's some issue. But I'm going to change this to some string, and now we can see we get it to print. But what if we have some variable, string x equals a char c, right? Has the single ticks, meaning this is a char. I'm sure it will convert it to a string and then run the function on it. Oh, no, it doesn't even take it. You learn something every day. You cannot save. Ooh, but what if we did new string? This will work, right? Right, this will work. Dismiss. Nope, that doesn't work either. You need a string in here. No chars in here. Nothing. Cannot. And you can't cast either because casting only works for primitives, okay? So you need the double quotes. You need the double